Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pink drink, pink strawberry type of nail. So you want to start off with this beautiful pink color. I'm using Rose Petal Blush Tinted Rubber Top from Kiara Sky. I'm using a rubber base because I'm going to be like layering it up, but you can use whatever medium you want to use. I'm doing a thin layer and then I'm sticking these little strawberries to it before curing it, and then I'm curing it so that they stay kind of secured in place. Second, I'm going to go in with the same rubber top, but putting it on in like a thicker layer to kind of like really encapsulate them in using the gel. So you see me kind of like full on putting it here, and then I'm going to put it back in the lamp. Next, I'm going to go in with the Vanilla Lace rubber top coat and kind of drizzle it along in the center a little bit, and then dab on the pink version as well, just to kind of create like a nice blend between the two. Kind of random and just honestly, like there's no method to it, just kind of place it how you like it. I'm putting more strawberries in there while it's wet so that when I cure it, they stay in place. And don't forget with this kind of look to wipe the sidewalls because it'll drip and get all lumpy and stuff. So unless you plan on filing it after, you should wipe the walls. Next, I'm going to go in with that pink rubber top again, but mixed in with some clear top coat just to kind of like add a little bit of extra so it's more see-through. On top of those, cure it, and then I'm taking a clear builder and putting it on top just to kind of like de-lumpify it as much of the nail as I can. Typically, you'd be doing this with acrylic or like actual gel, but I'm doing it with builder and rubber top. Whenever you're finished after curing that, you want to go in with your regular top coat your full design, and boom, there you have it. Super, super cute for the summer. I really hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!